Hi everyone, it's Mr. Hillier. Today we're going to be talking about loading the dishwasher. So I have my sink with dirty dishes in it and they need to go into my dishwasher. So I have some things like silverware, I have plates, I have cups, and bowls. So our different items go different places in the dishwasher. So I'm going to open up my dishwasher and I'm going to start with the top of my dishwasher. So in my dishwasher I have some things already loaded. I have my bowls, I have my cups, and some extra little things like my Tupperware. So those are the types of things that go on the top of the dishwasher. So on the top, I'm going to put my cup. I'm going to turn it so it's facing down. That will make sure that we get it nice and clean. And that goes in my dishwasher. I'm going to do that for my jar. Goes facing down. Okay, so I have a couple things left for the top. I have my Tupperware. It faces down and goes in the dishwasher. I have some bowls. They go down and in the dishwasher. Okay, if I'm done with the top of my dishwasher, I can push it in and pull out the bottom. Okay, in the bottom of my dishwasher, I put my plates and I put my silverware. So my knife, my straws, or maybe a whisk. So lots of your smaller stuff goes on the bottom of the dishwasher. So I'm going to clear out my sink. I have a plate for the bottom of the dishwasher. Okay, I have my silverware. That also goes on the bottom. Okay, the last step of loading the dishwasher is to use your soap to put it in your dishwasher. We close the little cover, we close our dishwasher, and we press start.